to this beautiful channel. Today we are quickly going to make and teach us how to make channel hats. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, welcome back again, my amazing people. Welcome you back again to this beautiful channel. You are seeing this beautiful face for the first time. This is Christina Felix. If you are here for the first time, welcome. God bless you. Thanks for coming. I love you so much, and I hope you guys are doing great over there. Thanks you so much. Kindly press the red button, go to the subscribe button, press it, like the video, make sure you watch the video before you press the subscribe button, so it will not remove you from here. So kindly go there, you watch the video to full this channel. You're gonna get a lot of tips, so make sure you always watch the video. Press the red button, press the subscribe button, like, comment, put a good comment there regarding to the video. Don't just put love, like, no, that is not nice. So you put a nice comment, respect to the video, to the content. So today we are don't allow me to forget, please kindly put on the notification bell, so next time if I put something there, you'll be the first person to grab it away. So to my returning subscribers, I love you so much, guys. You know me for that. I always give you a nice and a welcome kiss. Thank you for your love, thank you for your care so far, thanks for the love. So without wasting of our time, let's quickly go straight to how to make and add a channel hat. So it will also help the whole the small YouTubers that you've not had your channel hat, you don't know how to do it, and you don't know how to come up with it. So this is the right place for you to stay. This is the right video for you to watch it and make use of it, and give me a nice testimony later. So see you, let's go straight into how to make it. So guys, welcome to Fresh Monday Tips. So let's go straight to our tutorial. So I want us to use a fresh account. So this fresh account that we are gonna use. So you press where your picture is, maybe it's your picture or it's your name. You go to my channel, you click on my channel, it will come like this is how the picture will look like. So your name will be there, your picture will be there, your picture image. If you don't know how to upload your picture, like if you've not uploaded your picture, you click here, so it will take you to edit. Okay, he said your profile picture comes with your profile picture comes from your Google account. So you go to your Google account. So maybe I'll try to put a lecture for that later. So let's go. Today we are talking about channel hats. So you click on customize channel. This is how it becomes. This one, discussion, if you are more than 1,000, it will come community, but right now this is fresh account, so it comes with discussion. So you click on your customized channel. So once we click on our customized channel, it becomes like this is your picture, as I said earlier on, and this is how it looks like. Maybe on laptop, this is how it looks like, on both this is how it looks like, and on phone. So we'll click on your add channel hat if you are fresh, if you've not had anything here before. But if you have something here, so you click on this one, it will you will see edit link. edit channel art. So if you have some links there that you want to put your Instagram links or your Facebook links, so you just click here, it will go down. You see how it sees, so it will go down. Maybe I'll try to do some tutorials on that one also. So but right now we are talking about channel art. So click on your channel art if you are a fresher. If you are existing channel or existing channel, sorry, click on channel edit channel art. So right now let's start from here. Okay, it becomes like this. So if you are uploading directly, this one upload picture is directly from your computer, so you pick it like this. If you have any nice picture there, you want to use your picture or your logo or your customized picture, so you pick it all the way from your computer. If you click it like this, you see what it brought to me. You just pick your picture, you open it and you put it there. But if you this one, your picture, it's for the people that have already used picture before that they want to change it. So you see some of the pictures, some of the images that you've used here. So that is the meaning of your picture. So that is your picture, that is the meaning of your pictures. So gallery, let's go to gallery. What gallery means is the YouTube image, the images that YouTube have already put there. So you see some like this. So this is how your image will look like. If you something like this, you can see this number, this 100. I'm trying to zoom in. Okay, let's just, so this one is Android I've pick it up. Okay, let's just pick it. So if you want to upload your own personal picture, try to let your number be 2560, like I'm telling you how the image will looks like. So don't pick, if you try to put like small picture, like you just use your phone to snap it, it won't accept it. It will say it's too small for it. So this is our image. Assuming we are picking this one, so your channel art is going to look a bit different across device. Do you understand what I mean now? So here are some of the examples. On your laptop, this is how it will look like. On desktop, this is how it will look like TV. This is how it will look like. It will look more bolder on TV. So on mobile, this is how it will look like, small like this. I thought you guys can, yeah, it's very clear, so I see that you guys can see. So you will now, sorry, so you will ask us to go to adjust the crop. So adjust the crop. So if you want to allow the picture like the way you want to crop it, I mean, so as for YouTube banner preview, that is 100.426 JPD. So if you want to crop it, this is how it looks like. So you preview it here, preview on your device. This you can see how it looks like. So we've cut the whites on it. So if you are using your picture, that is what I'm saying it. So the next thing, you just select. It's like I'm shaking this thing. I hope you guys can see. Do you see how it looks like? So you just press select. That is how to upload your channel art. Right now my channel art is for my new account is done. So if you are new, that is all. That is how you do it. So you go down another thing or any other thing that you want to do. So for my existing channel, like for my existing YouTubers, so if you want to edit it, you go straight here. You will see edit. It will looks like new also. So if you want to use your picture, you go to, you upload it from your computer. So if you this is our chat, for example. So this new picture now. So if we have some images there that you've already put on in there, so you will see it here as I said earlier on. So if you are going to use gallery also, so you will see it the way I said. So if you want to change it, you don't like that one, so you just pick it there. So if you have some pictures there that you want to use before, the same thing, you just click on it, you pick it up. So if you want to upload another one, you pick another one straight from your computer. So if you like this one, want to change it, I'm just using for example. So you just pick it exactly the same way. It looks like the same thing that it looks like the first time I did it. So you just pick it up. So we don't need to crop it, we like it like this. So you see it will save. So that is just simple way and a cheap way for us to achieve and for us to add our channel art. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for staying tuned. We welcome comments, guys. Don't hesitate to drop your comments, or if you have any question or anything that you want this channel to treat for you guys, we are ready and we are here to serve you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to put on the notification bell, subscribe, like, watch, and drop your nice comments regarding to the video. Keep watching. Make sure you watch before you drop your comment, so I can allow you to stay with us, and so they want to remove you. So love you so much, guys. We see you in another video. Bye.